Today, we need more than ever the excellence in our way of life. In this journey, we will discover the traditional craftsmanship in many fields, such as art, jewelry, hospitality, architecture on a human scale, traditional cuisine and nutrition, bookbinding, tailoring, shoe crafting, and many more. We begin our journey in the city of Florence, world famous for its museums and masterpieces by some of the most revered artists of all times, the birthplace and the artistic capital of the Renaissance that has become a major cultural, commercial, political, and financial center. We will explore in the back streets ancient crafts still carried out traditionally by maestros of today, and thanks to their technical skills, Florence has become a powerful trading place for high-quality products. Without them, most of these crafts would not have continued to exist today. And thanks to their technical skills, Florence became a powerful trading place for high-quality products. ARIS presents Alessandro Dari. In the historic workshop, jewelry museum and school in the heart of Florence, we will meet Alessandro Dari, maestro goldsmith and sculptor, a genuine Florentine.
Buonasera, sono Alessandro Dari, sono un maestro di arte orafa e scultore e la mia famiglia di artisti risale al 1630 e attualmente io faccio prevalentemente gioielli che non sono ornamento di moda, hanno una storia, hanno un loro contenuto o fanno parte addirittura di macchinari dove il movimento permette di interagire parti diverse, simboli diversi dell'opera.
The perpetual dynamism of movement, born from Maestro Dari's desire to free the sculptural art of his jewels from the confines of form, providing them a freedom of motion and narrate a story behind each of his creation. Let's admire some of Alessandro Dari creations. The Crowns collection is dating back to 1991 and represents the conception of spirituality found in the upper part of our head. In fact, the crown surrounds something noble, something that cannot be seen with the naked eye, but that exists and is above us. Recognizing the importance and bond of our person with something divine means to crown the aura that lies above us. Discover the exclusive, unique collection of sculptural jewelry, crafted by the skilled hands of Master Dari, sublime examples of how art can take shape in jewelry of immeasurable value and beauty. Each piece is a sculpted narration, a fusion of precious materials and creativity, elevating the art of jewelry to new expressive heights. Explore the exclusive collection of handmade earrings and bracelets by Master Dari, a true embodiment of his unique poetic expression. The earrings are more than mere accessories. They are genuine art jewelry pieces, and the one and only bracelets by Master Dari are miniature wearable artworks. These bracelets are not just jewelry, but unique expressions of artistry. Unveil the exclusive collection of artistic handmade necklaces, true expressions of Master Dari's extraordinary craftsmanship. Each necklace, handcrafted in Florence, is a one-of-a-kind artwork, capturing the essence of one of Italy's most renowned goldsmith artists. Discover the exclusive collection of handmade brooches, miniature artworks that reflect the poetic vision of Master Dari. Dari's brooches are more than mere ornaments. They are wearable expressions of art. Each brooch is a fragment of a dream, a vision, or an idea shining with the grace and mastery of its creator, adding a touch of authentic rarity to any outfit. The Jewelry Museum. Maestro Dari Atelier is recognized as a museum workshop by the Department of Fine Arts of Rome in 2001 and opens the doors of his to students and young artists, offering a unique opportunity to exhibit. Alessandro Dari has distinguished himself as one of the most talented jewelers in Florence. His artistry has garnered international fame, including the prestigious Perseo Award and the title of the Vatican's Chosen Artist in 2006. He has also been honored as honorary university professor of goldsmithing by the Faculty of Architecture in Florence. His creations are displayed in the most prestigious locations, like the Silver Museum of Palazzo Pitti, the Fiesole Cathedral Museum, testifying to his mastery in creating unique art jewelry in Florence.